So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Maths with Aditya. So today in this video we will discuss about the 4.3 exercise of quadratic equation of class 10. So let's start the video. Okay, so we can see the first question of the exercise. First question, what is the first question of the exercise? Find the root of the quadratic equation if they exist. If they exist, then find it with the method of complete square. Okay, find the equation, find the root of the equation. Root of the equation. Okay, find the root of the equation. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, correct this. Find by completing square method. Okay, we need to find the root of the equation by completing square method. So what is the equation? 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So what is the completing square method? We need to divide the 2. Okay, divide by 2 the whole equation, that is it will be a. So divide a everywhere. Okay, so what will it become? X square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Okay, now we need to square this. Okay, we need to multiply it with 1 by 2x. So 7 by 2x multiplied by 1 by 2x, what it will become? 7 by 4. Okay, it will become 7 by 4. So plus minus 7 by 4, x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 plus 7 by 4 minus 7 by 4 equal to 0. So next what it will become? So it will be 7 by 2 whole square. Okay, it will be whole square. Okay, so we need to square x square minus 7 by 4 whole square minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 7 by, wait 1 minute, it will be plus here, 7 by 4 whole square, it will become minus here. Okay, so now I am opening only this, so that we need to find the C. So I am complete squaring this. So this will be x square plus 7x by 4 whole square minus 7x 7 by 2x, or this will be 7 by 4 whole square. So plus 3 by 2 minus 49 by 16 equal to 0. Here will be equal to 0. So now x square, so don't write now x square, it will be 7 minus x minus 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 49 by 16. Okay, next I am rubbing this side only. So now x minus 7 by 4 whole square plus, now taking the LCM of 2 and 16, it will be 16 So 824 minus 49, it will be 24 minus 49, okay, equal to 0. Now I am taking it to the left hand side, right hand side, okay, sorry, it will be right hand side. Right hand side, what it will become? 49 by 49 minus 24 by 16, okay. Now x minus 7 by 4 whole square equal to 25 by 16, okay. Now what it will become? How to find the x? Okay, this is the question, how to find the x. So now to find the x in this question, in this equation, it will be x minus 7 by 4 whole square equal to plus minus 5 by 4 whole square. So square root both sides, so it will become x minus 7 by 4 equal to plus minus 5 by 4. So first of all, taking x minus 7 by 4 equal to 5 by 4, another taking x minus 7 by 4 equal to minus 5 by 4. So x equal to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, which will be 12 by 4, and another one will be x equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. What it will become? 2 by 4, okay, this will become 2 by 4. So it will become half and it will become 3. So the value of x will be half and 3. So this is the method to find the equation by completing square method. So let's see another example, okay, another example. Two x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. So the same method, divide by 2. So I am not dividing it, I will divide it later, okay. X square, so now not at x square, x by 2 into 1 by 2x, 1 by 4, okay. So it will be 1 by 4, 1 by 2x, 1 by 4, okay. So x square plus x by 2 minus 4 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Now what it will be? The same procedure, x square minus 1 by 4 whole square plus x by 2 will be squares minus 4 by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square, okay. Now taking this part only, it will become x minus 1 by 4 whole square, and this one will be equal to 0, taking it in the left hand side, right hand side, so it will be 4 by 2 minus 1 by 16. What it will become? Plus 33 by 16. It will become 33 by 16, okay. So now what I have done, sorry, it will be plus here. Okay, so it will be plus here because it is plus sign in the middle. So always check the middle term. If it is minus, then you will need to take the minus, and if it is plus, then you need to take the negative sign. Okay, negative part. So please check the minus and plus on that. Okay, so x plus 1 by 4 equal to under root 33 by 4. So plus minus, so x equal to 1 by 4 plus root 33 by 4, and one will be 1 by 4, sorry, it will be root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4, another one will be comma minus root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is the required roots. Okay, so this is the completing square method of an question. This is the completing square method of the question. So let's see, check the next question. Find the roots of the equation by applying quadratic equation method. Okay, let's see the next question. What is it saying? The by quadratic equation method. What is that? What is the quadratic equation method? Sorry. Quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic equation formula. So in this question, second question, we will totally going to apply this formula. Okay, so what is the formula? 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Okay, this is the question. So here b a c. Okay, so what it will be? The b a b c. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 7, and c equal to be 3. Okay, minus 7, 2, 3. Okay, so putting on the formula, minus b, what it will be? Minus 7 plus minus under root minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 divided by 2 into 2, minus 7 plus 7 plus 49 minus 24, 7 plus minus root over 25 by 4, 7 plus 5 by 4, 7 minus 5 by 4. What it will become? 12 by 4, 2 by 4, 1 by 2, another one will be 3. The same answer, one is by completing square method, another is by applying the quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. Okay, so now let's take the next question. What it will be? 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. So what it will be the ABC? A will be 2, B will be 1 and C will be 4. So applying to the formula, minus 1 plus minus root over 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4 divided by 4, minus 1 plus minus under root 1 square means 1 minus 16, okay, 8, 32 divided by 4. So minus 1 plus root 30 minus 33 by 4, another one will be minus 1 minus root minus 33 by, no, it will be minus 31, sorry, not 33, minus 31 by 4. These are the required roots of the equation. So let's check out the next question. Find the roots of the equation. A third question says that find the root of the equation. They are not saying by the completing square method or by the quadratic equation. It only says that find the equation. Find the roots of the equation. They are not saying anything by completing square method or any method. This is the question where x shouldn't be equal to 0. Okay, so take the LCM. X square plus 1 equal to 3. So x square plus 1 equal to 3x. So x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation. I have found out the equation. So you can apply it with the help of completing square method also, and another with the quadratic equation. So I basically recommend to find the, if given the find the roots of the equation, then go with the quadratic equation formula only. That one will be the easier one. So with quadratic equation formula, 1 minus 3 1, okay, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. Minus b means minus 3 minus 3 plus minus root over minus b whole square, 4 into 1 into 1, 2, okay, 2. So now let's find out the value of x. Now 3 plus minus root over 9 minus 4 divided by 2, 3 plus minus root over 5 by 2, x equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2, another will be 3 minus root 5 by 2. This is answer. It is strictly given that there shouldn't be an, where it strictly given that x shouldn't be equal to 0. So these are the two roots of the equation. Okay, so move on to the next question. What is it? For finding the roots of the equation and not given anything, I recommend only use the quadratic equation formula. The sum of the reciprocal of Ramon's edge 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. Okay, I need to find his present age. Reciprocal, given is reciprocal, 3 years ago. So let Raymond's age be x. I have taken his age be x. So next, 3 years ago means earlier. Okay, so 1/x minus 3, because it is saying that reciprocal. Next, plus 1/x plus 5. Why it will be x plus 5? From now means future. From present to the future it will be 5 years. Okay, equal to 1/3 is given. So what it will become? Now what it will become? 6x minus 6 equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0. So now you can solve it by completing square method also, or you can solve it by, it will become plus 2, sorry, it will become plus 2 over here. So it will become minus 21. So for 21 it will become 7 and 3. So x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. You can use, if it is going by factorization method, then you can apply factorization method. If it going by completing square method, then you can apply complete squaring method. And if it is going by quadratic equation, then you can also apply quadratic equation formula also. Okay, 7x, sorry, let now take x common, x minus 7 plus 3 x minus 7, x plus 3 x minus 7. So x will become minus 3 and 7. So for now the age cannot be negative, so x will not equal to minus 3, though age will become 7. He is 7 years age. Okay, the age of Raymond will be 7 years. Okay, the age of Raymond will be 7 years. Okay, so let's take another question, one last question of this video. Okay, so what will be the last question? of this video. The difference of square of two number, the difference of square of two numbers is 180. The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the numbers. Okay, this is the question. So let the larger number be x. Okay, now eight times the larger number. Okay, square of the smaller number. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger. 8 larger means x, so it will become, smaller number will become root 8x. Okay, so now according to the question, x square minus 8x, difference of the square of the number is 180, is equal to 180. So x square minus 8 minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Okay, so now let's find out let's simplify it by using the factorization method. Okay, okay, 12 and 15, but it will not come 8. So let's check it with the quadratic equation formula. Okay, if it is not going with factorization method, then check it with the quadratic equation formula. So a will become 1, b will become minus 8, and c will become minus 180. Okay, so what is the formula? Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now apply it. Minus b mean minus 8 plus minus root over minus 8 whole square plus minus 4 into 180 into 1 by 2. 8 plus minus root over 64 minus, why it is plus, will be minus 720. Okay, it is minus, no, minus 180, no, so it will become plus here 2. So 8 plus minus root over 784 divided by 2. Okay, what it will be? 784, 28 square. Okay, so 8 plus 28 by 2, another one will be 8 minus 28 by 2. So the number will be So the number cannot be negative, as I am saying that the number cannot be negative, so we need to take the positive number, that will be 18. Okay, so the smaller number will become the smaller number will become 18 into 8, 18 into 8, so it will become 144 root and it will become 12. So 1 will become plus 12, so the numbers are 18, 12 and 18, minus 12. It will become plus minus. So this is the method to find out the equation and the roots of the equation. Okay. By one is we have done it by one completing square method. Another one will be quadratic equation formula, another is the factorization method. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel Maths with Aditya and share with your friends also. Okay, thank you.